We have an excellent training program at our firm. I think from the second that you come here, you have the ability to not only shadow our attorneys doing depositions, mediations, all kinds of litigation events, but you get the opportunity to very quickly be in the game. Just working here 1 year, I had gone to court more than like some of the most senior attorneys I've known in my life. You shed all of that anxiety of going in front of a judge, interacting with defense counsel very soon into your career here. So it was really cool to come to this firm as a Social Security disability attorney and then end up doing work comp operations. So it really is a testament to the firm that if you love being here and you want to grow, the opportunities are endless.